So when MAREE reached out about trying these teeth whitening strips that are peroxide free, I was like, yeah, I feel like this is the perfect time to try something like this. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put them on right now for the very first time. I don't have a mirror, so we're gonna see how well this is gonna go, but we're gonna put this on and then I just wanna see like if I sound funny, if I can continue, you know, my day, and then I'm gonna give you all the ins and outs of these of like what you're meant to be doing. So I've literally never used these before, so I'm not sure if I know what I'm doing. So this is what the pack looks like here. I believe it says that you're gonna have like 20 of the, like, so you're gonna have 14 treatments here. So this I assume is going to be for the top. So we're just gonna go like this. Tuck that in. Again, I'm not in front of a mirror, so I don't know what I look like. I do think if I was in front of a mirror, I'd probably have a better job. Okay, I do sound a little bit different, but also I feel like maybe I didn't line it up properly because I did this without a mirror, but so far so good. They don't hurt. I'm supposed to leave them on for half an hour, and they do say that, you know, so I brushed my teeth, you want to put them on, and then when after 30 minutes you're going to take them off and you're going to go ahead and rinse your mouth. What else does this say? Yeah, so you just rinse your mouth after. For me, I just love the fact that there's no peroxide. So I know I've only had them on for like a minute, but normally, you know, I feel like this would be something that would start to burn right away because I'm telling you, my teeth are so sensitive. So yeah, I'm not feeling any pain right now. I'm excited to get, like, you know, whiter teeth pain-free.